Hey there, and karibuni tena to another episode of Cooking with me in my kitchen space. So today I'll be showing you how I make my simple vegetable rice. I'll show you two ways in which I make my simple vegetable rice. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I also hope you'll try it out. So the first method of how I prepare my vegetable rice is quite simple, unlike the second one, why if you're not careful you end up making that. I'll be serving the rice with stir-fried vegetables that I'll link the videos somewhere here once I upload them, but as for now, let's get started. For this recipe, we'll start with our rice, a handful of peas, bell peppers, carrots, and for our spices we have salt, 1 clove, 2 cardamoms, and a piece of cinnamon. We'll start by frying our spices so that they can give more flavor to the rice. And so put a little oil in our sufuria. Then we'll crush our cardamoms. Then add our cinnamon and then our clove. Then we can fry this for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then we add our rice. At this point, you add your pre-washed rice and then you give it a stir and fry this for about 30 seconds as well on medium-high heat. Then you also add your salt and give it a good stir. So at this point you can add your water. Then you let this cook till it's done. Our rice is almost ready and it's the perfect time to remove our spices. These whole spices will always float. And they are not that edible, so you just have to remove them. Then let it cook completely. Our rice is ready. Always use a fork to stir your rice. So at this point now we can add our vegetables. I'll transfer mine into a container, then I can add it from here. For this process, you make sure that your capsicum are female, the one with the 4 lobes na huku chini. Those are the ones that are best eaten while raw, and the males are best for cooking. So adding like that. Then you give it a good stir. And we are done. It was that easy. For our first recipe, we'll need a glass of rice, a handful of peas, dark soy sauce, the bell peppers, that is the green, yellow, and red hoho, pilipili apple, carrots that have been shaped in different styles, and our onions that have been diced. For our spices, you're going to be having paprika, salt, and a pinch of black pepper. So today I used 1 glass of rice, and normally we'll add in 2 glasses of water, but today we're going to do it in the ratio of 1:3. But later we'll have to strain our water once the rice is almost ready. So stick with me and we'll see. So we'll wait for our water to boil first, then we can add in our rice, then cover it. Then once it is almost done, about 8/10, we're done, we'll strain our water. Once in a while you have to stir your rice and check if it's almost done, because you do not want to overcook our rice. So you can taste it. We want our rice 70 to 80% done. At that time when it's crunchy but cooked, not crunchy and raw. So you stir and then so at this point our rice is almost done, so it's time to strain this excess water. You run it in cold water to make sure it does not continue cooking. So we'll give it another look. Make sure you drain off all the cold water. Then we can set it aside, then we can start working on the vegetables. Then just to add a little color, we'll add a little of our soy sauce. Done. So people, it was that easy making this delicacy. I decided to serve mine with cold water because it's a dry food. So let's have a taste. The vegetables in the rice are very crunchy, which is a good thing. Let's dig in vegetables. Crunchy as well. And they are juicy from within. So try this recipe and let me know how it goes for you. Okay? It's a bye from my side, and see you in my next video.
Is 1:2, but today we'll be using 1:3, but we'll later drain off the excess water. Later, so you have to is it even rolling? So, oh gosh, folks. Oh gosh, sasa poking in happy. Why do you want to embarrass me? Why? Why are you Mr. Funk? So people, it was that easy making this vegetable and also making the rice. So let us grab it. Okay. So people, it was that easy making this delicacy, and we are going to start.